Hi guys. In one of my other videos there, I finished off with hitchhiking. And since then, I've got like a lot of messages from people asking me why I did it, how I did it, the do's and the don'ts. And I thought I'd make a video just to explain it a little bit because I have done some hitchhiking before, I suppose. And I do know like a few things about it. And the situation here was there are certain buses that'll take you across the border. And to me, they're a little bit expensive. Like you do have bus tour, big coaches here. Lux Express is one of them. Flixbus is another one. And the thing about these is one, they're more expensive, and two, they usually just go from city to city. So trying like to get out of a village or something like that isn't really possible. So what I did was I got a local bus down to as close as the border as possible. And in my video, I think it was about 20 kilometers or something like that. I was on the main road and I started to hitchhike down. And there's a few things. One, don't panic because people are generally friendly. The other one is appearance, how you actually look. So before I actually hitchhiked, I actually had a shave, just so I look a little bit cleaner. I had a big smile. And that really, really helps, because it kind of gives off this friendly impression. One of the don'ts is don't wear sunglasses. For some reason, people don't like this. Apparently, you can tell a lot from people's eyes and this kind of thing, Uh, and location is another one. Don't hitchhike in a city because people don't usually pick you up. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to do what I did coming into Lithuania. I'm going to get a bus outside of the city because, you don't want to hitchhike going out of the city. And I do have an option to get a bus. I checked that, and I'll be starting tomorrow. So from that little village, I'll find the road down to Poland. And what I'll do is I'll find kind of like a roundabout, and I'll move on from there. And one of the places where I could hitchhike could be beside a bus stop, because bus stops usually have this little side piece where they can actually stop off the main road, which is really, really handy because you got to remember that give the car some space where you can actually stop to pick you up, because if it's too dangerous, then they'll just drive on, and that's really important. One of the places where you don't hitchhike, of course, is going around a corner. Again, because it's too dangerous. And a car would prefer just to drive on. So you could stand at a corner all day and a car will not stop. Today is Thursday. So I will start hitchhiking tomorrow, Friday. There's a big difference between hitchhiking on a Monday and hitchhiking on a Friday. Friday, people are happier. And this is one of the better times when you'll actually get more people to stop and pick you up. And then we come to weekends. Weekends is a time when people just go into the car and take a little drive. They're happy and they like traveling about and this kind of thing. One of the lifts I got was from a fisherman. He went up the road, he was doing a bit of fishing, and he was coming back down again. and he actually saw me. And he said like that he was driving for a while, an hour, 2 hours up the road kind of thing. And he actually stopped because it was a long drive and he was actually driving by himself and just actually wanted a bit of company, which was actually an advantage for me. So again, with my big smile and I had my hand out, thumb up, thumb out. This guy actually saw me and said, "Oh, I'll actually stop and give this guy a lift." And one of the other lifts that I got recently was actually a guy who was actually quite young guy, must have been in his early 20s or whatever. And we were sitting chatting, and I was asking him a lot about where he's from, where he works, all this kind of thing. Parties, I really, really got into his personality. And then, of course, I talked about traveling and I've been hitchhiking. I also told him that I didn't mind where I ended up because I had a tent with me, you know. So he was under no obligation at all to do anything except drive me to where he could drop me off. And when I got out of this car, I was very, very grateful. I shook his hand and I said, "Look, thank you very much. You really, really helped me." And this guy actually gave me money as well, which was very, very surprising for me because whenever he was handing me the money, I tried to refuse it because it's not really what I wanted. All I really wanted was a lift, and he said, "No, no, 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 no. Take the money, get a bus to where you're going." uh, Guys, I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, check out some of my other videos. Also give me a like and subscribe. I have also recently published my own book on traveling. It's called My World on a Shoestring Budget. If you like my channel, you can also buy me a coffee. I will also have the link in the description. It helps support my channel and helps me with further traveling, hitchhiking, and making more videos so you can all watch. Guys, I wish you a very pleasant day and thank you for watching.